Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Halo Inc. and
Ryan.
Hi Jeff. I just wanted to show you guys a couple of improvements that we've recently made to our vehicle wrap proof template. So basically what you're looking at here is we have 8 arc boards. The top 4 are going to be for the blank outlined vehicle for inspection, and then the bottom 4 would have the install proof all tiled out. And the way that we were doing it, there was a lot of excess motion, wasted employee potential, and over processing. We would go in, fill out the job information, the VIN, the date, and then down here on every single page we would type in the order number, vehicle year, make and model, customer name, and then we would copy that and paste that onto every single sheet. So we came up with an improvement, thanks to Judy for pointing this out, but you could do find and replace. So basically we have this find and replace field up here, so you can copy. This would normally say order, this one's already been filled out. You'd go to edit, find and replace, and you can replace all the lines of text, and it updates every single sheet. So that's one of the first big improvements that we've made. As you can see over here, there is nothing in between the artboards. So what we did is we would go in there and we would either handwrite or we would type out T1, 2, 3, as many tiles as we have, because that will indicate to the installer what tile they are looking at when it's printed, because we print the notes on there so they could see, you know, S2 T1, which means driver's side, tile 1, which is the rear, moving its way forward. So one thing that we did is up above the artboard we have T1 through 6, and we also have green for perf. So we could just drag those down and place them over the tiles, so it makes it a little bit easier. So the latest update that we've made to it is we got rid of all the excess pages for the inspection sheet. So now as we open up the vehicle template to design, we copy the blank version of the vehicle, paste it right into here. And one of the other things that we were doing was, once this was finished, we would print it out and have it stapled, and then we would give it to the installer. Well, the installer most of the time was taking the staple out so they can magnet it onto the vehicle, and then it would end up getting scanned in anyway, so that way we would have the notes on the install. So we got rid of the staples altogether. We got a clear black sleeve, and the install packet now goes into the sleeve, removing the need to staple or remove the staple altogether. And the last thing that we added was, once we get the packet back and it's filled out, it gets scanned in. Design will go into the scan folder and paste the installation notes here. So as this vehicle gets picked up down the line, because we do a lot of fleet work, so we're redoing the same trucks multiple times, the installer's notes will be in the proof. So when we go back and copy this truck into the new order, we'll have all the install notes ready to print. It'll be part of the package, and I think that's a really big improvement. So thank you for watching.